Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to convert a Microsoft document to a PDF document type, and how to convert a PDF document type to a Microsoft document type or a document type. So I'll be making use of these two documents. You can see them on my screen. One is in MS document type, or it's in Word format, and the other one is in PDF format. So these are two documents. You can see the first one is data type and the second one is assignment BIO. So it's very simple, and I'm going to show you one of the most easiest way to do it. So you can go online and you can go to this website. It is called I love PDF. So just type it without space, I love PDF. So once you click on it, yes, this is the site. This is the I'm going to drop the link in the comments below, so you can see here we have PDF to JPG. So if you want to convert a PDF to pictures, maybe there's a picture format, you can actually convert it via here. You can also compress in case you want to reduce the size. You can come and click on compress, and once you click on compress, you have access to multiple you can actually compress multiple stuffs. So you can see here on this section we have JPG to PDF, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, HTML to PDF. You can see all of them. You can also even merge. So we'll come to this convert, right? So first of all, once convert Word to PDF, we'll click on Word. Once we click on Word, you can see select Word file. Then I'll go to my desktop, because you can also drag and drop. So let me just go directly to my desktop. You can see this is it. So this is Word, right? Word to PDF. I'll just drag and come here and just drop. So after I drop, you can see it here. Then I'll click on convert. Then it's going to take a little time. It's going to take a little time to convert. After it does that, you can be able to download it. Sorry guys, my network is quite bad, so if yours is fast, you can actually download it and then you see it on your download file and open it. So let me also show you how to convert. Okay, you can see it here guys, it's converting. So once it's done, you can see this download PDF file. So you just click on it and you can see it's already downloaded. So we have successfully converted it to Word, and you can open it. So this is it. I've successfully converted it to PDF, and then you can also convert it to you can convert PDF to Word. This is PDF to Word. You click on it and then you select the file. You can select the file, or you can just go directly. So let me just go directly. I can go directly to my desktop. I'll take the PDF, then I'll go to the link. And then I'll drop it here, and then it's going to process. You can see convert. and then it's going to